Hey guys, today we're showing you, this is the earbuds anti-loss neckband strap, and also we got the M3 earbuds we're going to be opening up and showing you. Here's a couple things you want to see. A lot of people like those details. So we're going to open it up, see how they look. We'll see how they perform. Of course, due to copyright reasons, can't have the audio playing, but at least you guys can get an idea. So if this is going to be a gift, comes in a nice little box here. Wow, it's a pretty nice little case. So it says left and right. Make sure you remove the plastic around the earpieces. That's going to allow you to charge it once you put it in the case. Charge it with the Type-C cable right on there, which they provide inside the box. So here's what they look like up close. Just your standard earbuds. Alright guys, after trying it out, the bass, the treb is good. Everything's good. I wouldn't say it's like mind-blowing, but overall, they're decent quality. So I think you guys should be happy if you're using them for walks, talking, voicing, or whatever. And the case is nice and small, so it fits inside your pocket.